Hanji, good morning, Nainji. Welcome to the class. Okay. Any confusion, anyone from the topics done in the previous class? Basically, we talk about the velocity time graph. I'm going to begin from there once again. Fine. So that if there is any problem, you can correct that. Or if there is some other issue, Hanji Arushi, there is some other question also? Hanji, please unmute. Acha, okay, no. Okay, what about Khushkaran? Your hand is raised.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell that we have only done velocity time graph in which velocity is constant. Ma'am, we have not done the triangular one.
Okay. Thank you. Rectangle one we have done, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Thank you so much. Okay. Students with the camera off, kindly switch on your camera. Quickly switch on your camera. Students with the camera off. You're requested to kindly switch on your camera. Okay, ji. Let me take you to the screen. We are going to proceed on with the velocity time graph. First, I am going to give a quick recap of the beginning of this velocity time graph till where we have done it. Fine. So in velocity time graph, one side we will be having the x-axis, one side we will be having the y-axis. Yes. And we did that in the velocity time graph. If you are getting a line parallel to the time axis, that shows uniform motion. Yes, that shows uniform motion. Now this line shows uniform motion because with respect to this, you will be having some value of velocity. कुछ ना कुछ velocity की value जरूर होगी with respect to this point. Let's do the labeling, make it more clear to you. Okay, time, it goes in seconds. Let's say, okay, here you have 1 second, then you have 2 seconds, then you have 3 seconds. Going on with the velocity, you will be having the equal intervals. Fine, this is your velocity in meter per second. So don't forget to write the units, okay? So let's say we have it 10, 20, 30, 40, somewhat like this. Okay. Now in this case, you will be having motion. Same graph if we have like this, one side time, one side distance, and you have a straight parallel line. We consider this graph as the rest graph. Why? Because whatever is the value of distance over here, it remains same. But if we change the graph in velocity, now this is not the rest graph. This is the motion. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पे velocity की कुछ value है. It is 30. You are going on with the velocity of 30. So this is not the rest graph. Yes. Now this is the uniform motion. Now how it is uniform motion? How it is uniform motion? You are going to find out the values with respect to this. Let's see. When the time is 1 second, what is the velocity? 30 meter per second. When the time is 2 seconds, what is the velocity? Still it is 30 meter per second. When the time is 3 seconds, still the velocity is 30 meter per second. Now, if you closely look onto the graph, what you will see is, what is the variation going in time? From 1 to 2, there is a variation of 1 second. From 2 to 3, there is a variation of 1 second. Equal variation. Going on with velocity. When the time is 1, velocity is 30. When the time is 2, velocity is 30. So, कितना variation हुआ? 0. When the time is 3, velocity is 30. So 2 से 3 तक कितना variation हुआ? 0. So it is 0, but there is equality. There is equality. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. There is no variation going on. Fine. So there is equality in the velocity as well as there is equality in the time. So we can say this is which graph? This is the uniform motion. Okay. Next thing is, if you have to find out the acceleration in this case, acceleration, how you can find out? Acceleration का formula क्या होता है? We have the formula of acceleration, that is v minus u over t. Okay, Arushi, I'm going to do it. Wait. Okay, so we have acceleration is equal to v minus u over t, that is change in velocity over time. Let's say you have to find out the acceleration from this point A till this point B. Fine. Okay. What is the final? Final velocity means with respect to B. B के with respect to कितनी velocity है? 30 minus velocity with respect to A. What is the velocity with respect to A? That is also 30. Divide by time. With respect to A, you have the time 1 second. With respect to B, you have the time 3 seconds. So 3 minus 1, the change in time. Okay, when you do it, 30 minus 30 is 0, divide by 2. So your answer is 0 meter per second square. This is acceleration. Fine, 0 meter per second square. You can directly say this, that in this graph, the acceleration is 0 because there is no change in velocity. Fine. What is the definition of acceleration? You will be having acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity over time. Acceleration का formula क्या है? Change in velocity over time. Is there any change going on here? No, there is no change going on. So there exists zero acceleration. I hope it is clear. Hanji Vinayak, is it clear? Pallav Preet. Bacha, is this clear to you? Okay, Nancy, Anahita, Anirudh. Anirudh, you can adjust your camera a little more. Okay. Chale. Now moving on with the next question. I am going to draw a graph again in front of you. Fine. And you are going to find out the displacement in that case, and we will do a little more things based upon that graph itself. Fine. So let me take a different graph now. Keep drawing the graph side by side so as to save your time. When I have to make this understood to you, then you can stop writing. Okay? In the meanwhile, you can start drawing it side by side onto your notebook. And children, one thing, majority of the students, what they do, they just keep writing the answers. They just keep writing the answers and you don't draw the graph. And later on, after a month or two, you forgot कि ये answer किस graph का है. So it is very important to draw the graph. Fine. So keep drawing, please. You can draw a rough one, but draw it for the timing. Okay. So one side velocity, it goes with meter per second. Second x-axis, you have time, it goes in second. Values 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Fine. And velocity goes with the, let's say 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Okay. Okay. Now the kind of graph you are getting is this one. Okay, so here we go. This is the graph you have. Fine. Now my question to you students is, you have to find out the displacement under this graph from point O, this is the point O, origin, to the point A, which is over here. Find out the displacement from O to A. I hope the question is clear. Find out the displacement from O to A. Now what you are going to do in this case, I'm going to give you the hints, steps. You are going to keep doing it. Okay? Then I do it onto the screen. Okay, now the first step. From O and A, draw the straight lines onto the time axis. Quickly. From O and A. See, O is on the time axis. So draw nahi karoge. From A, draw a straight line onto the time axis. You will see that it meets at a point where it is written 2 seconds. Fine. Okay. Now, which kind of figure you are getting here? Is it a kind of triangle? A kind of right angle triangle? Okay. In the previous class, we have written one note that to find out the displacement, we have to find out the area. So what is the area of triangle? That is half into base into height. Write that, put the values, get the answer. Vinayak, go quickly, wash your face and come back. Yes, Arushi, you can unmute yourself. Hanji, Arushi, unmute. You can click on the mic and unmute, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the displacement is 10 meter.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the displacement is 10 meter.
Okay, Arushi, A for Arushi is saying displacement is 10 meter. Fine. Who else? Hanji, Rishita, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, it's same 10 meter.
10 meter, okay. Pushkaran, your answer is same? Okay, unmute. Pushkaran, you can click on the mic and unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 20 meter.
Okay, Kushkaran is having a different answer, 20 meter. Okay. Hanji, Afni. Afni, unmute.
Ma'am, 10 meter.
Afni is having 10 meter. Now, Kushkaran, you have to check it once. Or the other three, you have to check it once. Maybe Kushkaran is correct. You three are doing the same mistake. Hanji. So don't be so confident. Everyone, you have to try it. ऐसा नहीं कि 3 जनों का आंसर सेम आ गया, so it is the correct one. Yeah, we go with the majority somehow, but it can be not the same in the numericals. Maybe the same mistake all the three are doing. Hanji. Okay, other than this, Arushi, Hanji, raise your hand. Okay, unmute beta, Arushi.
Ma'am, it is 20 meter.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is 20 meter.
Chaliye, Arushi changed. Okay, 20. Hanji Krishna, 20. Okay, let's see.
Ma'am, we can verify it also by ma'am, like answer. Ma'am, our answer is 20 meter. Ma'am, and by 2 seconds, ma'am, then the displacement will be 10 meter.
Okay, let's
No, ma'am,
see.
sorry.
Let's see. Just wait. Okay, I'm going to do the answer below your marks. Okay, so we have to find out from O to A. I told you to draw a straight line onto that time axis. You will get a kind of triangle here. Yes. So displacement is equal to area of See, steps you have to do all. Okay, area of triangle OA, and write the next point as B. We can write here B. So it is OAB. Fine. Okay. Now what is the area of triangle OAB? That is half into base into height. Fine. Okay. Half into, what is the base? Base is OB multiply by height, that is AB. OB multiply by AB. Okay. Now, when you are going to solve it, put the values. Half OB. It goes from 0 till 2. It goes from 0 till 2. So it is 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 multiply by AB. AB goes from 0 till 10. So it is 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0. Okay, so 1 over 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 10 minus 0 is 10. So 2 cancelled. Answer is 10 meter. Arushi ji. First you got the correct answer, Arushi. Then again what you have done at the last. Hanji, unmute yourself.
But if we do it like displacement is equals to velocity into time, and then we get a 20
You are not
meters.
going to do that. You're not going to do that. This is what we have written in the note yesterday, in the previous class, that whenever in case of graph, you have to find out the displacement, you are going to check the area covered. Fine. You are not going to directly multiply. No, you have to follow the step of finding the area. Okay. Hanji Kushkaran, same way you have done. Kindly correct it.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct it, please.
Ma'am, in distance also. In distance also.
डिस्टेंस में तो आप डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइंड करोगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि डिस्टेंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द सेम. फाइन.
No, ma'am. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
You will be finding the displacement in the velocity time graph only, na? Hanji Angel, unmute yourself. Angel, click on the mic and unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, what
morning.
are these A, R, K, and A? I got disconnected, so I didn't know this. A,
These are
R,
the
K,
name
and
of the
A, all these-
students. Arushi gave the answer as 20 meter, which is wrong. इसने पहले 10 मीटर दिया था, फिर करेक्ट कर दिया 20.
Okay, ma'am.
R is for one more student. K is for one more student. These are the names of the students. Chale. Now we are going to have acceleration. In this graph, if you want to find out acceleration, see, at every point, if you check here, velocity is 5 meters second. If you check here, velocity is 10 meter per second. If you check here, it is 15 meter per second. Means there is a change in velocity. So there exists acceleration. यहाँ पे acceleration आएगी ही आएगी. Yes. Now let's find out from O to A, what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration from O to A? So that is V minus U over T. V minus U over T. Fine. Okay.
5 meters per second.
From O to A, at A final velocity, that is 10, divide by at O initial velocity 0, divide by O से A तक time कितना हुआ? 0 to 2, that is 2 minus 0. Fine. So 10 minus 0 is 10, 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 divided by 10 divided by 2, you will get the answer as 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. And the Charchit, unmute. If you have a question, please. Yes, beta. Click on the mic and unmute yourself.
Ma'am, in the first, when we are finding the area of triangle, you have written that 2 minus 0, 10 minus 0. Ma'am, what is 0 over there?
0. Okay. Okay, listen. You are starting from Let me just have it over here. Charchit, are you able to see the line, a black line which I have drawn at the top? I'm going to do it once again. Okay, Charchit, are you able to see the line at the top? Yes? Okay. So let's say this is point A from where you start your walk. This is point B where you end your walk. At the starting, this is written 0 kilometer. Where you end, it is written 5 kilometer. So what is the distance you have covered? That is final
5
mind.
minus 0.
Yes, 5 minus 0. समझ में आया? So why we have written that is 2 minus 0 and 10 minus 0? Because देखो ये हमारा था base of triangle. So base of triangle is this one. O to B. हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक गए? 0 से 2 तक. So that is why I have written 2 minus 0. Got it? Similarly, height, this AB, we start from 0 and we go till 10. So that is 10 minus 0. Anji. Nia, please unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my doubt was, ma'am, just like here, it is from O to A, we need to find the displacement. Ma'am, if suppose the O was not on 0, but the O was on 20, then we need to find the displacement between A and O, means 10 to 20. How will we find? Because triangle will not be formed there. It would be something like a
We
collaboration
are
of
going to
triangle
do
and
next step is that only. Next step is that only. We are going to do that. Okay, just have patience for 2 minutes. We are going to do that. Hanji, any question till here? Is this clear? Everyone note it down. Okay. Now let's move on with the next question. I'm going to erase this. Okay, Gurleen, may I erase? Have you noted down? Gurleen, Anirudh, Aryan. Okay. So the next we have is, let me just draw. So we have a kind of a rectangle, fine. And we are going to draw the graph over this. Okay, so one side we will be having the time axis, one side we will be having the velocity axis, fine. And velocity we will be writing in meter per second. Time we go with the seconds, fine. So this is 0, this is 1, 2. Kindly draw it side by side. Please keep drawing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the velocity I be taking as a 5, 10. Then we have here 15. Then we have here 20. Fine. Okay, Ji. So now this is the graph, almost the same one. Fine. But the values are going to be changed now. You have to find out the displacement of the object from point A till point B. from point A till point B. Okay. Hanji, Nia ji, this is the question you are asking? Okay. Hanji, Kushkaran. Unmute.
Nothing, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Okay, so you have to find out the displacement from A to B. What you will do? You will draw the straight lines first of all from A onto the time axis. Same way you are going to draw the lines from B onto the time axis. Then you will see the kind of figure you are having. Then you are going to get the answer. So if you see the figure you have is of a trapezium. This is a kind of trapezium. My dear students, if you know the formula of trapezium directly, you can go with that. Let's do it onto the screen. Your eyes onto the screen, understand, then I give you the time to write it down. Okay? Please understand.
Ma'am,
Hanji.
ma'am, in this question, we can use the equation S is equal to UT plus half AT square.
Abhi nahi. We have not reached till there. So don't go with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Wait. Okay. So what we are going to do is, children, your attendance I'm going to take at the last, okay? Okay. So we have to find out the displacement. That is S. It is equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Angel, you are not going to write. Nia, don't write. Keep understanding, don't write. If you keep writing, यही सिर्फ copy हो पाएगा और कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा. Fine. So I told you I give you the time at the last to write. Don't worry. So area of trapezium ABCD we have to find. That is going to give you the displacement. Charchit, your eyes onto the screen. Area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides. Let's say first side we call A, second side we call B. So the sum of parallel sides multiply by the height H. Fine. Okay. Now if you look on the figure ABCD, parallel sides. One is A to D. A to D is your parallel side. Second parallel side goes from B to C. Fine. Okay. A to D की value find करो. At A to D starts from 0, goes till 10. So we can have 10 minus 0. That is 10 plus. Just a minute. Before we do this, we just write the labelings first. So first parallel side is AD plus second parallel side is BC multiply by the height. Height we never take the slanting. Slanting height nahi hoti. So we will not take this. We will take the straight one. That means we have to take DC. Slanting will go not give you the exact value. Fine. So we take DC. Now put the values. Half into sum of parallel side AD. It goes from 0 till 10. So it is 10 plus BC. BC goes from 0 till 20. So 20 minus 0 is 20. Multiply by DC. DC goes from 2 till 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So what you have? 1 over 2 multiply by 10 plus 20 is 30. Multiply by 2. So 2 to get cancelled. What you have the answer as 30. And we are finding the displacement. So the unit is meter. Clear? Okay. Nobody is going to write it. Now, the thing is that we can have like maybe somebody forgot about the formula of trapezium. Then what we do? Rather than going for the trapezium, you have one more method. Fine. Maybe somebody forget the formula of trapezium. Then what you are going to do is, you are going to split the figure. You are going to split the figure in two parts. Let's say we split it like this. So ABCD, यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे E. We have from A to B, हमें displacement find करना था. Below that we have one triangle and we have one rectangle. अगर हम इन दोनों का area find कर लें and then we add them, are we able to get the same? Let's do it. So we will do displacement is equal to area of triangle, that is ABE, plus area of rectangle, that is AECD. AECD. Okay, solve it. First you have triangle, that is half into base. Base of triangle is AE, multiply by height. Height of triangle is BE. Kindly keep checking onto the graph. Okay, this is 1 plus area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. You can take DC, multiply by AD. DC multiply by AD. So when you put the values, half into AE. AE की value कितनी आई? AE starts from 2 and goes till 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Multiply by BE. BE, it goes from 10 till 20. So 20 minus 10 is 10. Plus area of rectangle, DC. DC goes from 2 till 4. So it is 2. Multiply by AD. AD की value, it goes from 0 till 10. So it is 10. Now you are going to cancel. 2 के साथ 2 cancel हो जाएगा. What you left? 10 plus 2 multiplied by 10 is what? It is 20. So you are having the displacement as 30 meter. Children, I have given a lot of time in doing this and I have done both the methods just to make one thing clear to you, that you can apply any. Fine. There are going to be the figures where you are not having a straight way figure given to you. So you have to go with the splitting method. Fine. Now is the time to write it down. Please note it down. Take your time and note it down. Charchit, you can unmute yourself if you have any doubt.
And we can also split the figure into two triangles, that is ACD and ABE and ABC.
Charchit, repeat once again what you are saying.
Can we split this figure, this trapezium into two triangles, that is ACD and ABC?
एक मिनट, यू आर सेइंग के ACD एंड ABC, हाँ कर लो, फिर ABC को फाइंड कैसे करोगे? यू मस्ट बी हैविंग अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल टू सॉल्व इट, है ना? If you split it as ABC, fine. So you are not having the right angle. Yes.
Right angle could be made AE.
Try करके देख लो. See, this is your figure. Fine. You are saying हम इसको ऐसे split करेंगे. ऐसे बोल रहे हो ना आप?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये आपका बन जाएगा right angle. Okay. What about this? How can you find it out?
Then we will make a point E. Then from A to E, that will be the perpendicular.
Okay, very good. मतलब आप ये चाहते हो कि हम ऐसे करेंगे, फिर हमारे पास 3 ट्राइंगल्स बनेंगे, 1 2 एंड 3, है ना? फिर हम तीनों को सॉल्व करेंगे.
Yes.
You can go with that also, no issues. बट 3 की जगह पे लाइक सी 1 इज ट्रेपेजियम, ठीक है ना? सेकंड इज रेक्टेंगल ट्राइंगल, थर्ड you can make 3 triangles. Okay, that's okay, fine. But more you split the figure, more you will be able to, you know, increase the complexity. Yes, like rather than having 3 triangles and solving them, the chances of errors are going to
Yes.
increase.
Actually, I was saying that this can also be the one.
Yes,
way.
yes, this can be done. This, the third one now which you are saying na कि 3 triangles बनाएंगे, this is possible. Yes, you can solve it this way only, this way also. हाँ जी, everyone please give me a thumbs up if you have done this onto your notebook. If there is any doubt to anybody, Rishita, you have doubt, you can raise, you can unmute yourself, beta.
Ma'am, I just want to know about that uniform acceleration once.
Uniform acceleration, okay, that we do at the last again. Okay, uniform acceleration means uniformity होनी चाहिए. Uniformity in the velocity, whatever the velocity variation is going on, uniformity in the time. Now if you see in this graph, Rishita, if you see in this graph only, time variation कैसे हो रहा है? 0 to 1, fine. When time goes from 0 to 1, velocity goes from 0 to 5. When time goes from 1 to 2, velocity goes from 5 to 10. When time goes from 2 to 3, velocity goes from 10 to 15. Equal variation is going on in time, equal variation is going on in velocity. So this is uniform acceleration. Okay. Chali. May I give you the next question? Okay, no, we are done with the timings. So we are going to wind up the class over here. Fine. Next question, we have done the 2 different varieties of the questions today. Children, we are done with the graphs here. Fine. But in the next class, we will not move on. We will do 1 or 2 more questions based upon graph. Okay. Because right now we are only talking about when the velocity is given meter per second and the time is given in seconds. Now we go with kilometer per hour and all that. Fine. Let's try to have one more class of graphs and then we are going to end it. Hanji Arushi.
Ma'am, can the questions be framed like the values are given and we have to construct the graph?
Yes, yes, yes. You are having the 3 ways graphs asked to you. One is plotting. Second, see, I'm not giving so stress onto that because when we did it, you did it very wonderfully fine. And plotting, you're doing a lot in your maths as well. You have done it in your junior classes also, so you know that. Yes. Second thing is you have to take care of that which is rest, which is motion, which is uniform motion, which is non-uniform motion. That we have done. And the third is the calculations. Fine. Okay. So God bless you all. Just a minute. Let me just mark your attendance. We are going to end the class. Any other question you can ask? You can unmute yourself and ask if you have. Okay, ji. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye-bye. And keep smiling. Gurleen, Palafpreet, Anahita. Don't be in stress, okay? Keep smiling. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.